Of course.
I think there's a good likelihood.
I really do think he possesses magic.
Who do I believe is Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Well, obviously, it's Jim Adams. I've been here for a really long time, and over the years, it's become increasingly clear to me that he is, in fact, Santa Claus. He has a little group of elves that follow him around everywhere, and they fix the Chromebooks. Toy shop much? It's a total front. And then he runs a toy drive. He runs a huge toy drive every single year that he gives to the kids in UK hospital. Sounds like Santa Claus to me.
He's borne gifts for as long as I've known him. I can just think I need a 45-foot long Ethernet cable, and it appears in my room. And I think mainly it's because I've been a good boy my whole life.
I mean, look at him. He's got a white big beard. He's always jolly. You just see the way he's around here. He's like everywhere in the building, and he calls me his elf. I mean, he puts me to work like every day. It's kind of embarrassing, but I don't think I'm an elf, man. I got pretty normal ears, I think.
Anytime I'm like in my head, and like today, I was using the poster maker trying to make it work, and it wasn't working. And I just thought to myself, I really need somebody to come over and fix it because I couldn't figure it out. And then all of a sudden, it's like, boom, there he is. He's like, Ferris, is this not working? I know this thing's giving you trouble all the time. And then he just did his little magic, task manager, whatever, and it's working. You know how he stands at the front every morning and holds the door and loves to see all the kids coming through, all the staff? He's just a jolly human.
You be good, okay?
Bye, Leo.
The joy of giving is the best gift of all.